First, we are going to see some of the theorems. Then we are going to solve some problems. Now, what we're going to see is inequality in triangle. Inequalities in a triangle. Okay, now first we're going to see theorem 7.6, and theorem 7.6 is what? If two sides of a triangle are unequal, the angle opposite to the longer side is larger or greater. Okay, say we have a triangle. Now we have a triangle, and if you see the triangle, the largest side is BC, the largest side is BC. So opposite to the largest side, whatever angle is there, it will be the largest. Okay, among angle ABC, angle A will be the largest. Angle A will be greater than angle B also, or angle A will be greater than angle C also. Yeah. So if two sides of the triangle are unequal, say if you consider BC and AB, if you consider BC and AB, if you consider BC and AB, BC, if by in the figure also, we can see it clearly that BC is greater than AB. If BC is greater than AB, then what you can take by this theorem, what you can take, the angle opposite to the larger side will be larger. So opposite to BC is angle A, so angle A will be greater than, opposite to AB is what? Opposite to AB is angle C, so angle A will be greater than angle C. So we can say that angle opposite to the larger side is larger. Angle opposite to the larger side is larger. Okay. If the side is larger, the angle opposite to that side will be larger than the other one. Okay, write this. And if you're done, you can raise your hand. Then next we'll see theorem 7.7. If you're done, you can raise your hand because I need to rub it. Some more hands. I can see only 6 hands. Okay, fine. theorem 7.7. What is the theorem? In any triangle, the side opposite to the larger or greater angle is longer or greater. Now, what does it mean? If the side opposite a larger angle is greater, say is angle A is greater than angle B. If angle A is greater than, if angle this angle A is greater than angle B, if angle A is greater than angle B, okay, let's put the triangle. In triangle ABC, if in triangle ABC, angle A is greater than angle B, then what you can take? Then we can take the side opposite to the larger angle will be greater. So opposite to A is BC. So BC will be greater than, and opposite to angle B is AC. So angle A is greater than angle B. That means what? BC will be greater than, opposite to A is BC and opposite to B is AC. So BC will be greater than AC. Opposite to A is angle A is BC, opposite to angle B is AC. So if A is greater than angle B, then BC will be greater than AC. Okay, right. If you are done, you can raise your hand. Then we'll say 7.8. Okay, then 7.8. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than greater than the third side. So in any triangle, ABC, in any triangle ABC, sum of any two sides. If you take any two sides, sum of say AB and BC, if you take sum of the side AB and BC, it will be greater than AC. It will be greater than AC. Or if you take AB plus AC, it will be greater than the third side BC. Or if you take BC plus AC or AC plus BC, it will be greater than AB. That means sum of any two sides of a triangle will be greater than the third side. Sum of any two sides will be greater than the third side. So if you take sum of AB and BC, it will be greater than AC. If you take sum of AB and AC, it will be greater than BC. And if you take sum of BC and AC, it will be greater than AB. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, write it down, and if you're done, you can write down. Okay, so it is done. So once again, we'll see what. Now, first theorem is what? In any triangle ABC, if the side BC is greater than the side AB, if BC is greater than AB, opposite to BC is angle A, and opposite to AB is angle C. So angle A will be greater than angle C. If BC is greater than AB, then what you can take, angle A, opposite to BC is angle A, opposite to AB is angle C, so angle A greater than angle C. If AC is greater than AB, if AC is greater than AB, then what you can take, opposite to AC is angle B, and opposite to AB is what, angle C. So we can take what, if AC is greater, opposite to AC is B, so angle B will be greater than, opposite to AB is what angle? Is angle C, so B will be greater than C, and so on. So the angle that are opposite to the greater side or bigger side will be greater, and same way the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. The side opposite to the larger angle is longer. Say if angle A is greater than angle B, then what you can take, opposite to angle A is BC, greater than, opposite to angle B is what? AC. So BC greater than AC. If angle B is greater than angle C, then opposite to B is what? AC, greater than, opposite to C is what? AB. So AC will be greater than AB, and so on. And the third theorem was what? Sum of any two sides will be greater than third side. If you take sum of any two sides, it will be greater than the third one. Okay. Okay, now we are going to use these theorems and we'll try to solve problems in exercise 7.4. Okay, let's take question number 1, B1. Show that in a right triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. Show that in a right triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. So in a right triangle, you have to show that hypotenuse is the longest side. So draw one right triangle. So given is what? Triangle ABC is a right triangle. Is a right triangle. In which angle B is 90. And to prove what? In a right triangle, you have to prove what? The hypotenuse is the longest side. So if angle B is 90, the hypotenuse will be what? AC, the side that is opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is AC. You have to show AC greater than AB, AC greater than BC also. You have to show hypotenuse is the longest side. That means what? You have to show AC greater than AB, AC, or we can just write hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay, proof. So we have to show AC. To show that hypotenuse is the longest side, we have to show AC greater than AB also, AC greater than BC also. Okay, now first of all, we can take angle B greater than angle A. Why? Angle B is 90 and angle A and C are both acute. In a right triangle, angle A and C are acute. Since angle B equal to 90 and angle A is acute. Acute angles are less than 90 degrees. Yes or no? So in a right triangle, if one angle is 90, the other two angles are both acute angles. So angle A is acute. Angle C is also acute. Okay. So B will be greater than A, and opposite to B is what? AC. And opposite to angle A is what? Opposite to angle A is BC. So AB greater than BC. We can mark it 1. And the reason is what? Since side opposite to larger angle is longer. Side opposite to the larger angle is longer. Again, we can take what? Angle B greater than angle C. Why? Same reason. Since angle B is 90 and angle C is acute. So angle B is greater than C also. And if B is greater than C, opposite to B is AC, is greater than what? AC will be greater than, opposite to C is what? Opposite to C is AB. The side that is opposite to angle C is AB. So AC will be greater than AB. You can put therefore. You can mark this one 2, and the reason is what? Side opposite to larger angle is longer. Side opposite to the larger angle is longer. So in 1 and 2, what you're getting, SE is greater than BC and AB. SE is greater than BC, SE is greater than AB. So from 1 and 2, what you can take? From 1 and 2, from equation number 1 and 2. In equation number 1 and 2, we have shown AC greater than BC also, AB also. So from 1 and 2, what you can take? Therefore, SE is the longest. Therefore, we can write hypotenuse. Hypotenuse SE is the longest side. So from 1 and 2, what you can take? Hypotenuse AC is the longest side. That is your answer. Okay, if you're done, you can raise your hand. Okay, fine. Let's move to the question number 2. Now, question number 2 is what? And put your hands down. Question number 2 is in figure. Side AB, AC of the triangle ABC is produced to P and Q. So AB is produced to P and AC is produced to Q. And because of that, we are getting angle PBC, that is this angle, and QCB, that is this angle. And you have to show that, and what is told, PBC is less than angle QCB. You have to show that angle SE is greater than AB. SE is greater than AB. Okay, so let's take it. So in triangle ABC, AB is produced to P and this SE is produced to Q, and we are getting what this angle PBC and this angle QCB. And it is told that PBC is less than QBC. So given is what? In triangle ABC, AB is produced to P, BC is, SE is produced to Q, and angle PBC is less than QCB. To prove what? To show means to prove. To prove what? SE is greater than AB. Okay, proof. Okay, we can start with what is given. So angle PBC is less than QCB. So it is told that this angle is less than this. Okay, now if you see PBC is an exterior angle for this triangle, for this particular triangle, this angle PBC is outside the triangle, so it is an exterior angle. And instead of exterior angle, and we know what exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior. Opposite to exterior, opposite to this exterior angle, we have what? Angle A and angle this one, mark it 1. Angle A and 1 are the interior angles. So instead of PBC, I can write A plus 1. Instead of PBC, I can write A plus angle 1. By exterior angle property, we can write that. Less than, instead of QBC. Again, QBC is also an exterior angle. It is outside the triangle. It is formed by the side produce. So opposite to this angle QBC, we have A plus A and this angle, we can mark it 2. So A and 2. Opposite to QBC, we have A and 2. So instead of QBC, I can write what? A plus angle 2. And we're writing this by exterior angle property by property. Okay, now what you can do, we can cut angle A, angle A, angle A, both sides you can cut it. So if you cut it, what are you getting? Angle 1 less than angle 2. So we got angle 1 less than angle 2. Now, opposite to angle 1 is what? Opposite to angle 1 is AB. So take AB less than, if it is less than only, the symbol will remain same. And opposite to angle 2 is what? Opposite to angle 1 is AB. Opposite to angle 2 is AC. So instead of 2, I can write AC. That means what I'm getting, AB is less than AC. By what property? What property we are using? Side opposite to larger angle is longer. Side opposite to the larger angle is longer. So here, this one we can read in both the ways. AB is less than AC or AC is greater than AB. If you read it from the right, AC is greater than AB. So the side opposite to the longer angle is longer. We're using that property only. Now you're asked to prove AC is greater than AB, but we're getting AB less than AC. It is same only. If you read it from the right, it is AC is greater than AB. So at the end, we can write therefore AC greater than AB. Hence proof. Okay, if you're done, raise your hand, and we'll do the next question. Go up the time. Okay, fine. Then let's do question number 3. Question number 3 is, it is given that angle B is greater than angle A, angle C is greater than, sorry, angle B is less than angle A, angle C is less than angle B. We have to show that AD is less than BC. Okay, let's do it. Okay, the figure is given to you. A, B, C, and D, and A is greater than less than B, C, D. Okay, fine. Given is what? Angle B is less than angle A, and angle C is less than angle D. Now, to prove what? AD is less than BC. Okay, let's prove. We'll start with the given. Angle B is less than angle A is given. So see the triangle where it is. Angle AB are angle of this triangle AOB. Now in this triangle, angle A is angle B is less than A. Opposite to B is what? AO. So we can take AO less than. Opposite to angle A is what side? BO. So opposite to angle A we can is BO. So instead of angle A, I can write BO. The reason is what? Since side opposite to larger angle is longer. Okay, we can mark it 1. Again, we can take the second given, that is angle C is less than angle D. Now, C and D are angle of this triangle COD. Like, look, triangle COD. Opposite to angle C is what? OD. So we can take OD less than. Opposite to angle D is what? Is OC. So OC. Again, the same reason. The reason is what? Since. Okay, here given is given to us. And here side opposite to larger angle is longer. Okay, we can mark this one as equation number 2. Now, say equation number 1 is AO less than BO, and equation number 2 is what? OD is less than OC. Now, if you add equation number 1 and 2 on the left hand side, we'll get what? AO, DO, AO, DO. And from AO and DO, we can get AD. And if you add the right hand side, it will be BO and OC, and BO plus OC is what? BO plus OC is BC. So adding equation 1 and 2, what we'll get? While we are adding 2 equations, we add the left hand side together. So AO plus OD will be less than BO plus OC. We'll add the left hand side together, we'll add the right hand side together. But AO plus OD is what? AD less than BO plus OC. BO plus OC will be what? BC. That means we're getting AD less than BC. That is your answer proof, hence proof.